Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm setting up my new bullet journal. I know, it hasn't been so long since I started my Lemome A5 bullet journal, but I used a lot of pages in the back for doodling and practices, so it's basically filled up already. I went for the Leuchtturm 1917 for my next journal, because I heard it holds watercolors quite well. I started using watercolors in March of this year, and I really liked it and wanted to continue with it. Okay, onto the specs. I got it off Amazon for $19.95. It has 192 pages, and the pages weigh 80 GSM and are ivory colored. It has 2 bookmarks, a back storage pocket, an index, and the pages are numbered. Now, you might ask, why did I not continue using the Lemome? Well, despite the pages being quite thicker with 120 GSM, I mean a lot compared to the Leuchtturm, also having a back storage pocket and 1 bookmark and a pen loop, when using watercolors, the water just gets sucked up by the paper, making it almost impossible to blend unless I use a lot of water, in which case the colors bleed through the pages to the other side. Also, when I use markers with water to blend the markers together and get a nice transition, the markers are bleeding through as well. But if you are looking for a notebook that is good with pens, and you want something with minimal ghosting, then I would recommend the Lemome notebook. If you use the markers without wanting them to blend with water, then the Lemome is also a good choice, because markers don't bleed through. Remember, using water and markers will make it bleed through. Yes, I have tried that. Now to my setup. I thought on how I want to display the keys page, and I figured because the page right behind the cover is a good place to place it. What? Is a good place to put it, I save a page for something else, and the back page has some use. For the design, I drew Chibiusa's key from Sailor Moon that she receives and uses for traveling to the past. The page after the index is the When Did I Last page. This is used for me to keep track of things like changing toothbrushes, changing car oil or car tires, general things that need to be done throughout the year. After that, I placed a future log that will help me keep track of everything throughout the year, including federal holidays and appointments or reminders that are way into the future. Right after that page, I placed a birthday tracker. In my last bullet journal, I merged the future log with the birthday tracker, but it was difficult to differentiate them easily, so I decided to make a page dedicated to birthdays. With the birthday tracker done, I placed a travel and a restaurant tracker. I really like to track the restaurants and the places I've been to, so when I want to go to a restaurant again, I can look up my personal rating and decide based on that if I want to go to that restaurant again. My setup is not much, but I don't really need to track a lot of things, and in this notebook I just wanted to include things that I actually used from my last journal, since I had so many unnecessary pages in that one. I hope my setup video was helpful. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and until next time, bye!